Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto G56. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then open your search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now click open. Then click agree and continue. And here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. And here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now again. Now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue. And you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.